Today I'm cooking a simple Kam Heong steamed prawns dish. While Kam Heong sauce is usually deep fried or stir fry with meat or seafood, I am using it with steaming prawn this time. It's rich, filled with umami, and it's very tasty. This recipe is for 4 to 5 servings. Place the steaming pot on the stove and add about 1.2 liters of water. Switch on the heat, cover the pot and let it boil for 8 minutes. While waiting for the water to boil, let's prepare the prawns. Today I'm using 500 grams of medium-sized frozen freshwater prawns. After trimming off the whiskers, the legs, and horns, use the tip of scissors to cut the shell on the back of the prawns from the center right through the tail. Cut the head into half as well. Remove the back vein. If it is not deep enough, use the knife to make it deeper. Push both halves open like this. Remove the stomach. And open it wider like this. Here are the freshwater prawns that I have prepared. Sprinkle half teaspoon of salt in between the cuts of each prawn one by one. Arrange the prawn in the steamer and place it over the pot of hot boiling water. Cover the steamer and let it steam for 8 minutes. While waiting for the prawns to cook, place a frying pan on the stove, switch on the heat, add 180 grams of my homemade Kam Heong sauce, and spread it around the pan. Strip the curry leaves from one stalk and stir them with the Kam Heong sauce until well combined. Add 85 ml of water and stir to mix. Continue cooking for about 1 minute or until the sauce starts to bubble. Since the Kam Heong sauce is already cooked, we just want to heat it up so it will not take long. This is perfect consistency. Switch off the heat and leave it aside. After 8 minutes, the prawns are cooked. See, they have changed color to orange. Notice that the prawns have also released some water while steaming. Take it out from the steamer. Drain the prawns water from the plate. This is optional. Alright, it is done. Place it on the serving plate. The prawns look so yummy. Next, pour over the Kam Heong sauce on the prawns, spreading it evenly on the top of them and all around. Make sure to coat the prawns with the sauce as much as possible. And we are done. The delicious Kam Heong steamed prawns dish is ready to be served. Enjoy! Let's eat! Wow, it's really delicious and very fragrant. The prawns go so well with Kam Heong sauce, no matter if they are deep fried or steamed. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!